So guys, for the first method, once you're on Steam, you want to click on Steam in the top left, then you want to click on Settings. And then once you're in the Steam settings, on the left hand side, you want to select Downloads, and then where it says Download Region, you want to change it to somewhere which is not close to your current region that you're in right now. So I'm going to change it to Africa East, and then click on Restart Now. It's now going to restart Steam, wait for this to load. See if that works for you. If that does not work for you, then just go back to your original region. Go back to your original region, restart Steam again. See if that works for you. And now for the second method, you want to go back to the download settings and you want to select Clear Cache. Click on this and then click on Confirm. It's then going to restart Steam for you, and then you're going to have to sign back into Steam. So if you want to continue with this, do Confirm, then just sign back into Steam, see if that works for you. And now for the last method, you want to head over to search and type in Network Reset. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Reset Now, and then click on Yes. It's then going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you could just restart it yourself. See if that works for you.